Love-filled February. Let's have a look back on the love-filled month of February as we dedicate our time to serve a purposeful feat led by Mayor Cristy Angeles. Here are the programs and services of love inspired by our unity. Spreading Angel Love, Philippine-Japan Friendship Students Exchange, Tulong Anghel para sa Kooperatiba Program, Interest-Free Loan Releases, Tarlac City PNP Building Groundbreaking Ceremony.
Natutuwa po kaming masaksihan ang simula ng katuparan na matagal na ninyong pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling building at Tarlac City PNP Complex. And we are grateful to be a part of this dream come true through the donation of this lot property for our Tarlac City PNP. Kinikilala po ng ating administrasyon ang napakahalagang papel ng ating kapulisan sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng Tarlac City. Kung kaya't lubos po ang ating suporta para sa Tarlac City PNP sa abot po ng ating kakayanan. Ang pagkakaroon po ng sariling gusali ng ating PNP is another first in the history of Tarlac City.
Barangay Salapungan Lions Marker and Waiting Shed Groundbreaking Ceremony.
We have to serve our people based on 5 virtues. Serving our people with love, with humility, with compassion, with kindness, and with understanding. So only these 5 things, hindi ka maliligaw sa landas ng serbisyo publiko.
Continuous improvement of services for people's welfare. Super Health Center site inspection. Nutrition programs coordination meeting with Rise and Rebuild International Foundation. Barangay newly elected officials basic orientation course.
Hindi po biro ang maging ama o ina ng inyong barangay. Kasama ang inyong mga kagawad na hinalal ng inyong mga kabarangay. Kailangan there will always be unity within the family.
Public consultation with the informal settler families of Barangay Armenia and San Jose de Urquico. Overflowing opportunities for livelihood and career success. Farmers Livestock School on Goat Enterprise Management. Farmers Livestock School on Dairy Buffalo Production. Hydroponics training on food shed. Indemnity checks distribution. Tupad orientation, contract signing and PPE distribution. OJT and work immersion students deployment. Rhythms of joy and unity. GMA Kapuso Fiesta Show at Barangay Banto. As we bid goodbye to February, let us continue to carry the love, hope, and purpose it brought to our hearts all year round as we make our way to the months ahead with the angels guiding light. Love is a song that we'll be singing forever.